We got in all this. Hey, what's going on? I got Andrew Mays L, man, and we got another unboxing. This is like the third unboxing. Well, it's my third unboxing. It's about my 7th package out of China. I can't pronounce that shit. Say something about some Guangzhou, China. They always say the shoes that you get in the mall come from China, Taiwan. But then they got nerve to tell me it's not real. It's not authentic. It's fake. Motherfucker, you getting that shit from the Europeans and they got it from China. You don't question what they goddamn got going on. See, what y'all fail to realize is there's some factories in China that's responsible for the final production of these shoes. They build the shoe and then they send it to America where they do the final production. On certain lines of the shoe, you ain't gotta worry about that. See, like them Jordans, them Air Maxes, they got to come back over here to the States, man, and get, touched up a little bit. But when it comes to these duck boots, shout out these duck boots.
Why y'all think that?
When it comes to these duck boots, shout out. You got to forgive me all this cussing, man. I'm a little excited. They be 100% authentic, man. Wait a minute, man. Wait a minute, man. Man, we got a nice order. We got a nice order coming in. Mind you. God damn. She took good care of me. Put this shit in there coming from China. Just so you know. In this unboxing, man, I'm doing what I want to do. And I wear a size 14. 13 in some lines. So if this ain't a size 14, it ain't gonna be on my foot. So what did that tell you? For sale. For sale. First duck boot, man. We finna see what this motherfucker look like, man. Bring that bitch around.
Send all the things up. Can you hear me?
Man, they wore that box out real good. They wore that box out real good. Come from right over China. Yeah.
Damn. She ain't super light.
Damn. It's fine. They're a lot better than what I thought, man. Damn.
Right hit the roof.
Well, damn. Man, I need you to shut up. You're fucking up the goddamn rotation. Oh, man. Let me be quiet. You hear me? Shush. Hold on 1 second. The dogs go to watching them down. The cats and dogs out there, they don't you get. Don't you goddamn photo bomb me. Okay, so we got the first duck boot on deck, man. One of the main things I noticed off the rip is the glue line, and it looks good, man. It looks damn good, man. Oh, that's mama.
Control it. That motherfucker handy.
That's mama.
Oh, shit.
Okay. No, don't shit.
No, I wasn't talking about that.
We're doing I was doing the unboxing. He was here, so he just, he was just helping me with that. So,
Tell you where to meet.
Take a gander at that. It's like some old shoes.
I'm fine, man.
They look real duck bootish. Sorry.
The ones I got in there are just like 10 minutes old.
You just bought them? Man, I can't believe it, man.
They had some Air Maxes, man. It was 5 for $61, man. I wouldn't even buy them.
$5 for $61?
No, $61. I kept telling dude, I said, something wrong with them, man. They cost $61, man.
I know that, right? You get out.
I'm like a motherfucking drug dealer.
Feel good in here.
No, it's a life.
Okay.
It's hard to fight now.
She's supposed to come with another. She's supposed to put it in the bag. Ain't that a bag? It looks like a Nike bag. She took good care of me. She took good care of me. She took decent.
Are they all the same?
Oh, this is size 11.
Hey!
This size 11 right down there. Duck boots. For sale. For sale. Put these back in.
Mom got her Jordans in the front seat every morning.
That, I told you that was her sister shoes. What's that, first book? She got another fucking name.
What is she doing now?
Hit me. You see how I'm clothes in the room full of niggas trying to hide your hoes and dudes, man.
In progress. She still breaking that shit up. Okay, let's do a cut on that unboxing. Cut.
Cut.
We're gonna cut that.